friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Today I am going to teach you all about the conversion of units. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started with today's topic. So friends, here you can see I have made this chart and here you can see I have written these units. Friends, let's see these units which are used in measurement. First, let's see the standard unit. So, here you can see M is written. Now, what is this M for? It is for meters. This M is for meters which is used to measure length. Okay. Then this G is here. What is this G for? It is gram. It is used for weight. Okay. Capital L. What is this L? Yes, it is liter. It is used for capacity. Okay. So, these are the three standard units that are used in the measurement. Now, friends, there are some units which are bigger than our standard units and smaller than our standard units. Friends, now let's see the units which are bigger than our standard units. So, when we move towards the left of our standard units, the units which we get are bigger than our standard units. Let's see them. So, from here we get deca. This deca may be decameters, okay, in meters, and decagram in weight and decaliters in capacity, okay. Now, the next unit which is after deca is hecto. This may be hectometers in length and hectogram in weight and hectoliters in capacity, okay. And after that, the unit which we get is the biggest unit that is used in measurement. That is kilo, okay. So, this is kilo. This may be kilometers in length, kilogram in weight and kiloliters in capacity, okay. So, these three are the units which are bigger than our standard units. Now friends, let's see the units which are smaller than our standard units. So friends, when we move to the right of our standard units, the units which we get are smaller than our standard units. Let's see them. So, from here we get deci, okay. This may be decimeters in length, decigram in weight and deciliters in capacity. After that is centi. This may be centimeters in length, centigram in weight and centiliter in capacity, okay. After that is the smallest unit which is used in the measurement. That is milli. That is milli. This may be millimeters in length, milligram in weight and milliliter in capacity. Friends, you have to learn these units by heart. If you learn them, then it is fine, but if you can't learn them, then I have brought you a trick through which you can learn these units. Let's see what is that trick. So, it says that, so friends, this is the sentence which you need to learn, through which you will get to learn all of these units. Friends, you might be thinking that how we will learn these units with the help of this sentence? Well, it is very easy. Let's see the first word of our sentence, that is king, and the first alphabet of it, that is K, okay. So, this K related to any unit, well, that is kilo, that means here king will be for kilo and same happens for other words. Let's see. This is Henry and it is H as it is its first alphabet. Now relate any unit? Well, that is hecto. So, this Henry is for hecto. Died, that is D as its first alphabet. This D is for deca. And friends, here you have to learn the standard units by heart. There is no solution for the standard units. Okay, so let's move on. These three words with the mother don't relate any unit, so let's leave them. The next word is did and its first alphabet is D. This D is for think, it is deci. Let's see the next word, that is cry. And the first alphabet is C and this cry is for centi because it is starting with C. Now the last word, that is much, and its first alphabet is M, that is for milli. So see how this sentence will help you in learning all the units. Now friends, there are some important points that you need to keep in your mind while you are converting these units. Let's see here. So the first point that you need to know is that any unit is 10 times bigger than the other. Let's see with an example. This centi is 10 times bigger than milli, okay? And this deci is 10 times bigger than centi. This deca is 10 times bigger than our standard units. And this hecto is 10 times bigger than deca. And same way kilo is 10 times bigger than hecto. Here friends, these hecto, deca and deci are not used in the daily life. Okay? And friends, the most important rule which you need to know. Whenever we are converting from any greater unit to a smaller unit. For example, from hecto to deci. Okay? So, we always multiply. We always multiply whenever we are converting a greater unit to a smaller unit. And whenever we are converting a smaller unit to a greater unit, we divide. For example, we have to convert centi to the standard units. So, here we have to divide when we are converting. Friends, now let's see some questions related to the conversion of units. So friends, this question says that convert 7 dm, that is decimeters. Here you can see convert 7 decimeters into millimeters. So here we have 7 decimeters and we have to convert this into millimeters. So friends, here our first step is to locate our deci. So decimeter is here, okay, and this millimeter is here. So that means we are going from the decimeter to millimeter. That means we are going from a greater unit to a smaller unit. So what we will do? Multiply. Yes. So that means we have to multiply. Now with what we have to multiply? So here we have to multiply with 10. Always if we have to divide with 10 only we will divide and multiply with 10 only we will multiply. But this is not the same. You have to count the number of times you get 10 from this decimeters to millimeter. So see, from here decimeters to centi to here is 110 and from centi to milli there is another 10. That means we are getting 10 two times. So this is very simple. We are going to multiply our 7 decimeters with 10. Two times we are going to multiply. So what will be the answer? Yes, 7 into 10 is 70 and 70 into 10 is 700. And so we are converting in millimeters, so this will be in millimeters. So this is our answer, that is 700 millimeters. This was very simple. Let's understand with one more question. So friends, the next question says that convert 11 hectograms, that is Hg, into grams. So we have to convert 11 hectograms into grams. Now first step is to decide that we have to multiply or divide. So let's see, where is our hectogram? It is here, and where is gram? Here. So friends, this means we are going from a greater unit to a smaller unit. So we need to multiply, yes. And now we have to count the number of times we are getting 10. With that we are going to multiply as I told you. So see, from here to here 1 time and from here to here 2 times. That means we are getting 10 2 times. So the last and the simple step is to multiply. So we are going to multiply 11 by 10. 10 and this 10. So what will be the answer? 11 into 10 is 110 and 110 into 10 is 1100. So we have found the answer, that is 1100 grams, because we are converting in grams. So this is our answer. So friends, now let's see one more question. So friends, the next question says that convert 12 liters into kiloliters. So we have 12 liters and we have to convert it into kiloliters. So as I told you, the first step is to decide that we have to multiply or divide. So let's see. Liters is here and we are going to kiloliters. That means we are going from the smaller unit to a greater unit. So what we do then? Yes, we divide. We divide. And with what we divide? Yes, with 10 we divide. And now let's count the number of steps, number of times we are getting 10. So let's see. From here to here 110, from here to here 2 times 10 and from here to here 3 times 10. But friends, here we are not multiplying, so we need to find the product of our 10. Let's find the product of our 10 quickly, then only we will divide it with it. Okay, so 10 into 10 and into 10 and again into 10. So that is 1000. That means we are going to divide 12 liter with 1000. So we are going to do the division like this, okay? Like this. Now friends, here what we have to do is that the answer will come in decimals. So we also have to find our decimal, that where we have to put the decimal. So count the number of zeros in your divisor. So here there are 3 zeros in 1000. Very simple. After that we have to put our point, that is the decimal. So see, this 0 will go for this, this and here. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 0.012 kiloliters. Okay. So this is our answer when we have converted. So this is our final answer. Okay. So this is the answer. Friends, now let's see the next question. So friends, the next question says that convert 21 centimeters into decameters. So here we have 21 centimeters and we have to convert this into decameters. Friends, first step, as I told you, decide that we have to multiply or divide. So let's see first here let's look at, so centimeters is here and decameters is here. So this means that we are going from a smaller unit to a greater unit. So what we do in that case? Yes, we will divide. And the second step is to count the number of times we get 10. So let's see, from here to here 1 times 10, from here to here 2 times 10 and from here to here 3 times 10. Now as I told you, let's find their product quickly. So 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. Okay. So this is our product, that is 1000. So that means we are going to divide 21 by 1000 to get our final answer. So let's divide this 1000. Okay. Now count the number of zeros in your divisor. So 3 zeros are there and just put the decimal after 3 places, okay? So 1 place, 2 place and after that it is 3 place. So what will be the answer? It will be 0.021 DAM, that is decameter. This is much for today. I hope you like this, and if you are new to my channel, as always don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.